One day, I would like to have ubiquitous access to healthcare data in a usable format.
One day, I hope we can use real-world data to be predictive on who needs to be treated before there are any symptoms.
One day, those that need treatment are able to easily access it.
One day, the healthcare experience will be easier and more accessible for all.
If we were to harness the power of data analytics and technology the way it can be, one day we have the ability to eradicate disease. How about that for a moonshot?
One day, I hope we can use data to solve problems before anybody else even realizes it's a problem.
One day, everyone is going to know who Komodo Health is and want to be on a journey with us.
One day, all the patients can have access to the care they need, regardless of who they are and where they are.